Today, we'll be exploring the top 5 cordless vacuums to help you find the best fit for your cleaning needs. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and user reviews of these top-rated models. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Shark iX141 Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum priced at $179. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners with its strong suction that easily picks up pet hair and dirt. It can run for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to clean without needing a break. Its lightweight design and low profile shape make it easy to clean under furniture. The vacuum also has a removable hand vac, which is great for cleaning above floor areas like stairs and upholstery. The XL dust cup is easy to empty with the Clean Touch dirt ejector, so you don't have to touch the mess. LED highlights help you see hidden debris, ensuring a thorough clean. Users love that it's quieter than other brands and doesn't scare pets. However, some have mentioned that the tube can get clogged with pet hair and it doesn't come with a wall hanger. It's also noted for its ease of maneuverability and efficient performance on both carpet and hard floors. Overall, it's a great value for the price and highly recommended for pet owners. Second, we have the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner, which costs $139. This vacuum is designed to save you time with its tangle-resistant roller, perfect for homes with pets. It offers up to 50 minutes of cleaning, time on eco mode, which is great for larger homes. The vacuum is lightweight and can lay flat, making it easy to clean under furniture. It also has a 5-stage filtration system that captures almost all particles, keeping the air cleaner. The pet tool and dusting brush help you clean up pet hair and reach tight spots. Reviews highlight its ease of use and effective cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. Some users found the handle a bit uncomfortable after long periods of use. Additionally, it can struggle with certain types of rugs. Despite these minor issues, it's a solid choice for pet owners and budget-conscious shoppers. The easy-to-remove battery and compact storage design also make it a convenient option for daily cleaning tasks. Third on the list is the BISSELL CleanView XR cordless vacuum priced at $199. This vacuum features a powerful motor that is 40% stronger than some competitors, making it highly effective on all floor types. It offers up to 35 minutes of cleaning time in standard mode, which is plenty for most cleaning sessions. The tangle-free brush roll is perfect for homes with pets as it cuts down on the hassle of removing hair from the roller. The Smart Seal allergen system traps dust and allergens, making it a good choice for those with allergies. The vacuum can easily convert from a stick to a handheld or high-reach vacuum, adding to its versatility. Users appreciate its lightweight design and effectiveness on hard floors. However, some have mentioned that the wheels can be noisy and customer service could be better. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a great option, especially since BISSELL supports pet foundations with each purchase. The included specialty tools also enhance its functionality, making it easier to clean tight spaces and delicate surfaces. Next, we have the Eureka NEC 280TL RapidClean Pro, which costs $144. This vacuum is equipped with a powerful motor that provides superior suction, making it ideal for everyday messes. It has a 40-minute runtime, ensuring you can clean your entire home without interruption. The vacuum features a 5-stage filtration system that captures fine dust in small particles, keeping the air clean. It has 3 power modes and LED headlights to help you see and clean hidden debris. The lightweight design and ability to lay flat make it easy to clean under furniture. Users love its powerful suction and ease of use. However, some found it top-heavy, causing it to tip over if not lean against something. Despite this, it's a great mid-range option for thorough cleaning. The convenient accessory attachments and washable filter add to its overall practicality and ease of maintenance. Finally, the Roanow cordless vacuum cleaner is priced at $169. This vacuum stands out with its powerful suction that easily picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair. It features a smart LED display that shows the current status of the vacuum, including suction mode and battery life. With a long-lasting battery, it can run for up to 50 minutes, making it perfect for larger cleaning jobs. The vacuum is very lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and use for extended periods. It has a large dust cup, so you don't have to empty it as often. The vacuum also has a multi-filtration system that captures almost all fine dust and small particles, keeping the air clean. Users praise its portability and powerful performance. However, some mention that the battery life diminishes quickly on high power mode and the vacuum doesn't stand on its own. The wall mount design helps with storage, but a backup battery might be necessary for longer cleaning sessions. Overall, it's a great choice for those seeking a lightweight and powerful vacuum. Now, in conclusion, each of these cordless vacuums offers unique features and benefits to suit different cleaning needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize lightweight design, powerful suction, or specialized pet tools, there's a vacuum here that will meet your requirements. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.